Still on page 1, a problem is listed as x plus 7 times x plus 7. There's no sign in between. It's a FOIL problem. At another time, we've seen on tests where they will list the problem such as that. Either way, it still is going to be the FOIL problem we talked about. Here, the signs are both positive. They're very clean. It's a simple problem. X times x, the end result is x squared. You got your 7. Let's see here, your x times the plus 7 over here is a plus 7x off of that. Now you have a plus 7, sign, number, letter, is another plus 7x. And the plus 7 times plus 7, yes, 49. It's a perfect square. Nicely done. Okay, you combine these two, it's very easy. That's 14x. Yes, it's not x squared. I heard that. Very nice. Our bottom line is x squared plus, both signs are positive, so it's going to be, last sign's going to be positive. 49 comes from right there. And that one's positive, saying that they're both going to be positive. Hey, we're still on page 1. This is one of their tricky problems. And I'm going to see if you get this. I'm going to see if you catch me or not. On this here, they put it in backward order as one part of it. The number is first, the letters together, 2 letters. How does that work? Watch carefully for this. This here, the number times the number, is going to be number 1. Still breathing? Okay. Now that 1 plus 1 times the plus xy is a plus 1xy. Now, go to the inside. That's a plus xy times that 1. Plus 1xy. So we've done those steps and that step. The last step, here's the tricky part. The sign is both positive and the number is 1. So it's positive. What is x times x? And y times y? Did you get the x squared and the y squared? You don't square one of them, you square both. Many times I've seen this done where they do not have that x squared. People forget to square the x and the x and the y and the y. You won't be that person. These two combined, that's 2xy. 1 plus 2xy plus x squared y squared. Check. Okay, on page 1, now the slickery, trickery problem that they put on here, and we've seen such things as this on the test, is here. You're going to have to watch, and I want you to listen. I hope you did this on your own first. If you didn't, watch this. Number 1, the first times the first. That's a plus 1. That's easy. 2x is simple. Now, here's the tricky part. What's the sign? Check, check. Plus times a minus. Negativo. What's the number? 2. What are the letters? You got that critter right there. Put the A, leave it alone. Now, you got other letters. X and X. What do you do with that? You know what to do. X times X. That is your quantity right there. Very simple. Sign, number, letters. Now, you've done the first two. This is easy. Plus 1 times plus 1 is plus uno. That's Spanish for 1. Yeah. I know that. Yeah. Okay, now, the plus 1 times the negative. Watch the sign. And of course, it stays the same. It is AX. Okay, now, what can you combine here? You got a 2x. No other plain x's here except that, and it's not a number, it's an AX. That's a separate critter. That's a separate critter. You can't add those. Don't multiply. We did that there. This is only what? Combination. Combine. There's no other AX squareds. There's no other number. That is your answer. All 4 pieces. Nothing combined. They will try to get you to combine that. They will put these together as a 2AX squared another way and mess it all up. Way to go.